What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be installing a side skirt on my 2022 Honda Accord, and from the last video we just tried to fix the diffuser on my bumper. So I hope if you haven't seen it, check it out. It's I'll probably put them on the link by the description box below. But so for today we're going to be installing the side skirt on my Honda Accord, and let's get into it. Alright, now we're going to be unboxing. What do you guys think? What do you like? What color do you think I went with? Pretty sure it's like given already, but put them all in the comment section below. What do you guys think? What color did I pick for the side skirt? Alright. Put this box. Here. Alright guys, so I went with Yofer side skirt, and it's Sonic Gray. So this is what we're going to be installing today, and I'm going to teach you on how to install it. So right now I'm just going to clean the side skirt where we're going to put the 3M tape, and on top of that we're going to be applying Adhesive Promoter. Then we're going to clean the area for the side rocker, and we're going to be installing it. So right now we're going to be cleaning, well, I just cleaned the passenger side, and we're going to do the driver's side as well. So yeah. Alright guys, so now we've cleaned the area. What we're going to do is apply some Adhesive Promoter. So this is the Adhesive Promoter I've been using even with my 2019. If you want to go pick it up yourself, I'll leave the link by the description box below. So what you want to do is evenly spread the Adhesive Promoter. There you go. Make sure you don't want to contaminate the paint on the other side, since it's gonna turn or result to some discoloration. I don't know why am I stuttering, I'm so tired. There you go. Next, what you want to do is you apply the 3M tape right over here. So with the 3M tape, I'm using my own 3M tape, and I got them from Amazon. I don't usually use the 3M tape that comes with the body kits or any styling kits that I buy online. I don't know, it's just me. And then for me, it seems like the 3M tape doesn't stick enough, like good enough. So I just use this 3M tape that I get from Amazon, and they've held pretty good right there. So with the 3M tape, you want to put it all the way to the edge, so that way it'll block any water or any debris coming in, and that way side skirt's not gonna go anywhere despite of it being screwed already. There you go. So there's a bit of an issue that's been going around with this side skirts, that on the edges for the passenger side and the driver's side, it's like it doesn't fit enough, or like it doesn't fit well. So I'm gonna tell you and teach you, show you how I'm gonna deal with it. Alright guys, so the gap I'm mentioning, so this is the driver's side. So the issue is on this new vehicles, it's like starting from here all the way to here, probably like a foot or two, or not even, probably just a foot. It's that this one, there's a gap here whenever you're applying or installing the side skirt. So what I did with it before, since I've dealt with it prior to getting the 2.0, I installed this for a friend. So what we did is just that we applied, I actually didn't put it on a video before since I had that before. I have that content as well, but now that we're dealing with it, now I have a chance to do it. So what we're gonna do is that from this edge right here, all the way from here, what you're gonna do is just like you're gonna double stack the 3M tape, or depending on how thick the 3M tape that you get. So for me, I usually get the thicker side, the thicker 3M tape. I forgot the code on it. So instead of like doing 3 layers, I'm gonna be only doing 2, since that one's pretty thick. I've tried and test fitted the side skirt on the vehicle. I only needed two stacks. So yeah, so right now I have the 3M tape attached already, and I'm gonna show you the next step. All right guys, so prior to installing this side skirt, we're gonna be removing one screw right here by the rocker panel, more like by the mud flap. And then at the same time, what you're gonna do is just like install the side skirt. But before you do that, make sure that you clean the area with the soap and water. And after drying it off, wiping it off, make sure to wipe it again with the rubbing alcohol, so to make sure the 3M tape has a secure what do you call this, attachment. So now what we're gonna do is that we're gonna be removing 3M tape. All right, now that we have that, what you want to do is just make sure you put it in place, press on it, and slowly peel off the 3M tape. There. And as you're slowly peeling it away, make sure like you're applying pressure on it. There you go. And we're just gonna go all the way through. Now, once you have everything installed, what you want to do is just put all the screws back, and I'm going to show you the back part. All right, it's good, and now we're going to go on the rear side. All right, now we're on the rear side. What you want to do is that put all the screws in, one over here and then one over here. It's already provided to you. Same thing as the 2018 to 2020 Honda Accord. Even with 2019 was the same. So here you go. Oops. All right, it's in there. And another one right here. And you're done. All right guys, so as you can see right over here, you don't see any gaps. There you go. And that's how I deal with the Yofer side skirt for the 2021-2022. So that's pretty much it guys. I hope you find this video very helpful and informative. So I just briefly and quickly explained how to install your side skirt, and I mainly just addressed the issue that for the newer vehicle has been having, especially with the side skirt itself. So with that one, I would suggest, if you want to do that and what I just did, but I would just highly suggest get at least like 2 or 3 3M tapes and pretty much do 2 to 3 layers depending on how big the gap is, like all the way through the side skirt, not just the area that I mentioned. For me, it would just like probably keep everything all flushed and the same, but it's completely up to you. That's just one of the suggestions I would tell you. So anyways, make sure to like, comment, subscribe to your boy if you haven't, and if you're a new subscriber, and if you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe to your boy. Sorry, I'm like slurring, I'm really tired. So yeah, make sure to like, comment, subscribe to your boy if you haven't. Let's try to get into 3,000 subscribers, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.